is Synoptophone, stereopsis testing with a smartphone, virtual reality, and anaglyph. So we know what is a 3D photo, and these are called wigglegrams. These are 3D photographs which wiggle between the left and right image. And we know that stereopsis is very important for motor skills and driving and so many other things. And stereopsis testing is often ignored because most ophthalmologists do not have access to stereopsis testing tools, mostly because they are very expensive, and mostly because there is not much interest in stereopsis testing. So these are the tests for stereopsis which are available: the titmus fly, the random dot test, the butterfly test, and all these tests. These are all based on random dot stereograms and polarization of light. Then there is a bunch of tests. The first one here, the Bernal evaluation, is based on lenticular films, and then you have the anaglyph test. The anaglyph test use red and green in this case to split the images between the two eyes. So that is another way to look at 3D, and that is a much cost-effective method to look at it. But all these tests are still very expensive. And maybe you have seen stereograms, which are images which look like just modern art, but when you focus your eyes correctly, you can see the 3D image pop up. So using these principles, I've started making an app on which can be used to test stereopsis. These are random dot stereograms. So this app uses random dot stereograms as well as anaglyph stereograms. So anaglyph stereograms can be seen with the red-blue glasses. So these glasses are for looking at the anaglyph stereograms. If you wear these glasses, what looks like a random bunch of dots can actually reveal the hidden 3D photo in between. So if you have good stereopsis, you can see the picture. So here it would be, I guess, it's a triangle here, I guess. I mixed it up on purpose, and a square here. So you can see this hidden image only if you have good stereopsis. And this is how I built the app. I used a free app building service called MIT App Inventor, and with that I made an app, and this is what the app looks like. So this is the first screen of the app, and I'll just open it also for you here. So it has all the basic principles of stereopsis, binocular single vision, so fusion and stereopsis, and this is the TNO test, and this is the random test. So this is the one which is most useful. So this will show a hidden image, and the person who is being tested had to wear the red-blue glasses and look at the image and say what is there. So there are 4 buttons indicating the 4 different options which can be present, and once you press it, it tells you whether you're correct or wrong. So if you get it correct at least say 5 times in a row, that way you can assure that the person is not guessing and they are able to see clearly. So that is my app which I developed for stereopsis testing, Synoptophone. Thank you.
Thank you, John. Can I ask judges one question, please?
How do you grade the stereopsis? How do you grade what is the thing you have marker for grading?
So you have to measure the stereopsis in milliseconds of arcs. So right now these tests which I put all the images are 300 milliseconds of an arc. If you put different images of different grades of stereopsis, you can go at finer and finer stereopsis until you can stop at where the patient can see. So this one right now is just yes or no at 300
yes or
milliseconds.
No only.
Right now only yes or no.
Not able to grade that.
We can improve the app to add the extra features. This is the prototype model which I completed developing today. That is why it is not having the gradation.
Thank you. Thank you.